Austin Drake here with Move Free. I'm going to go over how to perform a shoulder controlled articular rotation motion here. Goal of this exercise is just to explore and maintain the full range of motion of the shoulder joint. So how you're going to do this, if we go level 1, we're going to start feet together, standing nice and tall. I'm going to keep the elbow nice and straight. And the goal is really to keep the movement in the shoulder joint and not get too much from the rib cage and the shoulder blade, right? So if I start here, I'm going to bring my arm across my body. And as I do that, I'm going to bring the palm up so I go into a little bit of external rotation. As I keep going, I'm tracing the edge of my shoulder joint. Okay? And as I come up and get straight, reaching overhead, my thumb is going to come back. Right, so now my thumb's facing behind me. Okay. Notice I haven't cheated by leaning any direction with my rib cage. Right. Now, as I come back now, I'm going to start to go back and out. And then as I do this, I'm going to start to turn the thumb down and then bring the arm behind the back. So behind the back there. And as I bring my arm to my side, I want to keep pointing the thumb behind me. Okay. From here, I could keep going. I could just start again. Bring the arm across, up, thumb back, come out, turn the thumb down. Right. Keep turning the thumb behind me. Right. But at some point, then I want to reverse it and extend back. Right. So I'm extending straight back. Turn as I come around, bring the hands straight up towards the ceiling, thumb back, and then again I'm going to come across, right, palm up as I come down, and then finish with thumb behind me. Okay, so you would do this, really trying to explore that full range of motion. Back. Again, without compensating and leaning as such. Now, if we're trying to really isolate the joint, we can use some kind of obstacle to kind of block our body to really make sure that we're not cheating and leaning. So then I would be up against the bar here, I could be up against a wall, right? Which will then make it harder for me to lean and cheat, and then I do the same thing. Okay. And you want to feel like the arm bone, my humerus, is really tracing around the shoulder joint. So when I come inwards, assuming this isn't painful, I should feel a little pressure on the inside here, right? And then as I work my way up, that pressure should also work its way around. As I come up, I should feel a little bit of pressure on the top of the joint, not painful. As I come around, that pressure works its way around the back of the joint. And then as I'm here now, I feel it on the back side here. And then coming around, I feel it on the inside of my joint. If we're doing this and we hit a painful spot, like I get here and bam, that hurts, then I'm just gonna I'm gonna back off a little bit and go around that pain for now. Okay, so when we're doing this, we are trying to avoid the painful stuff. So don't force it back into a position that hurts. Kind of ease up right before that and then kind of go around the pain as you're completing the motion. All right, give that a try.